Hey, my name's Jordan. I'm the organizer of SF Game Development. I'm here with Michael from VIVERSE. When they first reached out to me, I was so excited to learn about their new opportunity to get games ported over to the VIVERSE platform. So, Michael, I would love for you to share with everyone in our community what you guys are working on, and yeah, like let's chat about it for a little bit.
Absolutely. Thank you, Jordan. And we're so excited to be connecting with the SF game dev community. We've come to a couple of meetups and we've just been so impressed by the, quality and the breadth of different types of games that the community is working on. So I'm here to talk about ViveVerse. We are a company building distribution platform for games in the web browser. I want to tell you about our creator program where we're actually funding the development of new content, but also ports of existing games to ViveVerse.
Yeah, and when I was chatting with you, it's actually seemed like a very simple process to actually get signed up. Not only do you guys have like a Unity SDK that, allows you to easily port via WebGL like existing games to the platform, but then you're also offering all sorts of like monetization options and even funding options to help developers financially get their games ported over. Could you tell us a little bit more about that?
Yeah, absolutely. So I'll start just on the process side, but I definitely want to talk about the tech side too. So we have a application form. It's pretty simple. You don't need to put together like a full pitch deck or anything, but we just want to hear about you and your project concept from that form. Then once we move forward, we're offering between 5,000 and 15,000 for guaranteed fees for development and porting fees. And then once your project launches on Viveverse, we have a couple of options for monetization, from free to play where we're paying you per player, but then to premium experiences with in-app purchases or fully paid titles where we're offering very generous revenue splits. The baseline is 80% for developers, but in the first year, we're actually offering 90% revenue share for developers.
It's huge. Could you talk a little bit more about like the tech side too of it?
Yeah, so we're really lucky that, especially in recent versions of Unity, the WebGL support is awesome. So porting to ViveVerse, we offer some, technical guidance if you're optimizing for the browser for the first time. I do also want to say we support more than just Unity. So if you have a game based on Godot, or if you do happen to have worked in the browser before with something like Play Canvas or 3JS, we want to connect with you on those two. Our strategy at ViveVerse is to allow creators to build with the tools that they're already using and make it easy to bring your work to the browser.
This is amazing because, like, when I was a developer, I was always looking for these experiences and platforms that I could publish on and get access to a huge player base. You guys have millions of current users. I think this opportunity is massive, and you guys are looking for 10 people from our community at least to submit games by the end of this year. So I think it's a great opportunity. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link in this email and in the YouTube description so that way people can go and sign up. And I'm sure they're looking forward to talking with you and getting their games ported over. So thanks so much for coming on and telling us about this exciting opportunity.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Jordan. And I really look forward to connecting with more folks from your community.